बार्शी शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ श्रीमान भाऊसाहेब झाडबुके महाविद्यालय बार्शी व्हिडिओ लेक्चर सीरीज बाय डॉक्टर राजकुमार मोहिते, असिस्टंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट of Physics.
Hello friends, today we are going to see what ceramics are, classification of ceramics, advantages and disadvantages of ceramics and its application.
The word ceramics is derived from the Greek word keramos, which means potter's clay. However, many compounds which are classified as ceramics today contain no clay. Modern ceramics can be derived as the compounds of metal and non-metals. They generally have ionic atomic bonding between them. Traditional ceramics include insulating materials, glass, refractories, abrasives, and enamels. They include metal oxides, carbides, borides, nitrides, and silicates. Some of their examples are tungsten carbides, silicon carbides, beryllia, zirconia, alumina, magnesia. There are different material categories into which ceramics can be divided. Ceramics are mainly divided into two categories. One is traditional and another is advanced. These categories can all be evolved into distinctive material features. Let us see each of these categories in detail. Traditional ceramics, object made of clay and cement hardened by high temperature heating are examples of traditional ceramics. Dishes, crockery, flower pots, and roof and wall tiles are all made from traditional ceramics. Advanced ceramics, carbides such as silicon carbides, oxides such as aluminum oxides, nitrides such as silicon nitrides, and many other materials, including mixed oxide ceramics that can act as superconductors, are examples of advanced ceramics. Modern processing techniques are required for advanced ceramics, and developing these techniques has led to advances in medicine and engineering. There are two types of advanced ceramics: non-silicate oxide ceramics. Non-oxide ceramics are a type of ceramics. They are covalently bonded solids that include, in addition to the well-known silicon and germanium, germanium arsenic, cadmium tellurium, etc. Outside of electronic materials, the other semiconductors include silicon carbide, titanium oxide, zinc oxide, and others. Atoms in solids in general and ceramics in particular will be arranged in long-range order, short-range order, or a combination of both. Solids with long-range order are known as crystalline solids. Advantages of ceramics: most of them have high hardness, hence they are used as abrasive powder and cutting tools. They have high melting point, which makes them excellent refractory material. They are good thermal insulators. This is another reason to use them as refractory material. They are high electrical resistivity, which make them suitable to be used an insulator. They have low mass density, which results in lightweight compounds. They are generally chemically inert, which makes them durable. Disadvantages of ceramics: they are brittle in nature. They have almost zero durability. They have poor tensile strength. They show a wide range in the variation of strength even for the identical specimens. They are difficult to shape. Applications of ceramics: ceramics are harder, non-combustible, and inert than metals and plastics. As a result, they are suitable for use in high temperature, corrosive, and tribiological applications. Because of their lightweight, they are used in the space industry. They serve as cutting instruments. They serve as refractory substances. As electrical insulators and thermal insulators, they are utilized. Photoelectrochemical devices or cells (PEC) are solar cells that produce electrical energy or hydrogen through a process similar to water electrolysis. Thank you.